Yo, what's up, friends? Let's throw fuel on the fire. So on my end, the month has been going pretty good. This is day 10 of the 31-day vlog. Yesterday was able to move a unit and a half out. Um, really just feeling encouraged, feeling motivated, and feeling like I have to do my part on being proactive and just keeping my foot on the gas pedal and really shifting it into a different gear while my foot is on the gas pedal. And then also searching for the best route while keeping my foot on the gas pedal, right? If you hear what I'm saying. So let's make it happen. You're an entrepreneur, you're in sales. As you're going throughout this month, it's okay to think about it just a little bit more in the evening, and it's okay to think about it just a little bit more in the morning on your efforts, on your planning, on your preparation, on what you're doing. What can you do better? What can you do different? What can you improve? So let's make it happen. Throw fuel on the fire. We'll see you tomorrow, 7:45 a.m.